Welcome to the Popular Podcast.com.
I'm Jessica Mullen.
And I'm Kelly Cree. Today is Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day, wife!
Did we tell you that's our favorite thing to do when we walk down the street? To do that to people?
I just like to laugh at Kelly doing it, really. Because I can't really do it.
It's my favorite thing. Walk down South Congress, walk by Perla's, and I'm like, there's some cute girl. She was all blush, and then I did it to this old lady, and it was really cute.
Anyway, in honor of Valentine's Day, I wanted to tell you that we're trying to help out the Y with some donations. So you're going to be hearing us talk all about that cool place.
You know, like, because we don't already talk about the Y all the time. What else?
You know, it's like a ramp.
Else is awesome, too, like a ramp.
The Y is like a ramp.
And our friends are coming, and we have this science fair experiment. And I want to tell everything that was awesome. We got to see all these balloons.
All our friends are visiting.
I already said that.
Oh.